What are the best tours for solo travelers in NYC? Imagine wandering through a city that never sleeps, where every corner holds a new story and every street is a new adventure. If you're exploring New York City alone, finding the right tours can turn your visit into an unforgettable experience. There are plenty of options designed for solo travelers that balance fun, safety, and socializing. One popular choice is a walking tour that covers about 30 top sites in the city. The NYC Backpacker Tour is a great example. It takes you through landmarks like the New York Public Library, Bryant Park, Rockefeller Center, Times Square, and Hell's Kitchen. These tours are small enough to be intimate but social enough to meet others. They usually last around 3 hours and cost about $50. If you love history and want to learn more about the city's past, guided tours of the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island are ideal. These tours include ferry rides and provide detailed commentary about the landmarks. They usually last around for hours and cost between $50 and $70. Alternatively, the Staten Island Ferry is free and offers a casual way to see the Statue of Liberty from the water without a formal tour. It runs every 15 to 20 minutes and takes about 30 minutes each way. For art lovers, visiting museums like the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Museum of Modern Art, or the American Museum of Natural History is perfect. You can explore at your own pace, which makes these visits comfortable for solo travelers. Entry fees vary from $20 to $35, and many museums offer discounted tickets for students or seniors. If you want a bird's view of the city, helicopter tours are a fantastic option. They last about 15 to 25 minutes and cost around $100. Solo travelers often get upgraded to longer flights or special packages. These tours give you stunning aerial views of Manhattan, Brooklyn, and the bridges connecting them. Special themed tours are also popular. For example, the 9/11 Ground Zero tour offers a reflective experience, while ghost and history tours in neighborhoods like Greenwich Village are fun and engaging. These tours are usually small groups, lasting about 2 hours, and cost around $50. Observation decks are another favorite. Top of the Rock at Rockefeller Center and the One World Trade Center Observatory provide panoramic views of the city. Tickets cost roughly $35 and are perfect for a peaceful moment alone or with new friends. Food tours, especially pizza tastings in Brooklyn or exploring diverse neighborhoods like Chinatown or Little Italy, are great for solo travelers who want to taste local flavors and meet others. These tours last about 2 to 3 hours and cost around $50. To sum up, the best tours for solo travelers in New York City include walking tours of major landmarks, guided ferry trips to the Statue of Liberty, helicopter rides, themed history or ghost tours, visits to observation decks, and food tastings. These options let you enjoy the city at your own pace while also offering chances to connect with fellow explorers. Whether you prefer exploring on foot, from above, or through cultural experiences, there's something perfect for every solo adventurer in New York City.